In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create circle text here in Canva, and that looks like this. Now, this is actually probably a lot easier than you think, so let me go ahead and show you. Now, once you have your text on the canvas, just like this, all that we have to do is click onto the text, come up to Effects right here, right up the top. If we click on there, we then want to come over to the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the bottom, where we see this curve. Now with this curve, this allows us to curve text or make round. So right now, this is on 53, and that's what's curved this. Now because this is quite a lot of text, we can completely turn this into a circle by simply clicking onto the bar and then bringing it all the way up to round about 100. Now, as we can see, the letters are pretty close on this, so what we want to do is adjust that by coming up to the top of the toolbar again, clicking on spacing, and then adjusting this letter spacing bar. So now, if we slowly increase this, it's going to look better, and now it's created a full circle. So as you can see, it's actually really easy to create circle text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.